Hi there, it's Lori from Positive Thanks Living, and we're going to begin with a little bit of positivity. Haha, yes, it's corny, I know. But when you're beginning a junk journal, what's the first thing that you do? Now, I'd suggest that the first thing you do is gather all your supplies, gather all your options. And what kind of options? Things like scrapbook paper. I tore out the pages from an old planner and tea-dyed them. You have the option of using old greeting cards, cutting them apart. You can make them, one of them your cover. I think I'm going to do that with this one. There's also the opportunity to use all those things that you're mailed. Think of all the junk mailers and all the paper. You're going to see what I do with those a little later on in this video. You have receipts and letters and things from the kitchen, recipes that you don't use anymore, or items that are from packaging that are interesting. At the end of this video, you're going to see me using a little tea bag pouch. Things that you would normally throw away can be made beautiful. It's recycling at its most interesting, I think. You can use things like buttons, those buttons you've hanging around from clothing that, yeah, you're not even going to use. Maybe the clothing's gone. I'm covering up this mailer, for example, with the tea-dyed old planner paper, just making it fit. And I'll embellish it, I'll decorate it later. It won't stay like that, but when you're beginning to make a handmade journal, a junk journal, you just gather all your options together and begin. Beginning is, you need to start where you are and begin with what you have. And use the opportunity to do what you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. This craft is less about perfection, more about personality. And that's what makes it unique for all of us. We all make interesting things from the options that we have. I have ribbon that I've taken off of packaging. When you start this hobby, your eyes will start to catch those things you'd normally throw away. My husband knows that when he comes in with the junk mail, for example, he always asks me before he throws it away, could you use this? Often I'll say yes. Yeah, a little bit of tea, some glue, some quiet or lovely music. Gather your options. And that's the first thing you do to make a junk journal. There, that's where I'm using the tea bag pocket. And I'm going to put it inside and put something in it. I'll make something pretty. I'll show you just how it fits in. You get the idea. See? Take care. It's Lori at Positive Thanks Living. What do you do with all those pages you've gathered? Click on this video to see.